today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make an Italian cheesecake with buffalo milk ricotta. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 3 pounds of buffalo milk ricotta. You can use any ricotta you want, but we like to use buffalo milk. 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, a scant cup of all-purpose flour, 5 whole eggs, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of amaretto, 2 tablespoons of marsala, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just a little bit of lemon zest. You'll need a stand mixer with the whisk attachment. You want to add your 5 whole eggs and your sugar. Now that the eggs and the sugar are thick and pale, you want to add your flour, the amaretto, the marsala, the vanilla, and the cinnamon. You want to start adding your ricotta. Now that the ricotta is incorporated into the mixture, we want to add our heavy cream. We want to fold in some lemon zest and place it into our 12-inch cake pan, which is lined with parchment so it doesn't overflow during cooking. We're going to place the cake in an oven that's been preheated at 375 for about 90 minutes. As you can see, the parchment saved it from overflowing. We're going to let it rest for about 3 to 4 hours before we're ready to serve it. Buon appetito!